Alright, in today's short video, we're going to demo how to export and import a Linux distro on WSL2. The reason we want to export and import, so sometimes we want to back up our distro, and sometimes we want to restore just in case. Also, this export import can be used to clone a distro or rename a distro. So let's get started. The whole process is very simple. Let's use the help page to take a look, okay? So WSL minus help. So you can see what is export. So the export means you export a distro to a tar file. That means you back up the distro. And also you can do import, similar, just restore just in case you restore something. And the syntax is here. For the export, it's very simple, just distro name and the file name. This is for export. For import, distro name, whatever you want to restore. But you do need a installation location, so that is where you need to specify. Okay, so and the same thing, the file name. So we'll not touch the options. This is the simple export import. Okay. So let's take a look at what I have in my system. So I'm going to do WSL minus L minus V. So right now I have 3 distros, right? So, and let me exit. So do the same thing. So I have 3 distros, one running and the 2 is stopped. So before do the export, let me shut down this the environment. So I'm gonna shut down so everything, make sure everything's stopped, right? So, and then we're gonna do the export. So we're gonna use WSL minus export, then follow the distro name. So let me use this one as a demo, okay? So I'm gonna use this one, back up this demo. So I'm gonna back up a location. In my case, it's on the D drive, okay? So I have a folder called WSL export. So then I'm going to give a name. So let's just reuse the same name and give a tar file, okay? So this may take probably a few seconds, or maybe 10 seconds, something like that. So once this export is complete, so we're going to do a import, okay? So when we do the import, we can import back to the original one, but in this demo, we just do a clone. We're going to clone a similar one with a different name. So in case I don't want to keep this one, I can drop this one, so and get a different name. For this specific case, when we installed Oracle Linux, they come from the Microsoft store, right? So it's 7. However, once you do a yum like update, maybe your version is already updated. So this name may not be pertinent anymore. So we probably just use a different name. So anyway, so the export is completed. So I'm gonna do an import, okay? So import. So I'm gonna import into a different name, okay? So I'm gonna call it 8. Let me use a shorter one, okay? I'm gonna call it OL8, Oracle Linux 8, okay? Then we need to specify location. So in my case, I have a location in the C drive called WSL. And call it storage. So we have to create this directory first. I'm gonna call it OL8. Okay, so with same name. We just store everything inside a location you specified. Okay, and then we're going to specify the, somehow, let me redo it, okay? So this is going to be import. Import. I decided to call it OL8. And the location is C drive, WSL, storage, whatever storage area you would like to save this distro, okay? So I called OL8, okay? So this location need a directory or folder needed to be exist, okay? So let's do an import. Okay, import is so quick, right? So now if we repeat the command, you can see we have a new one called OL8. Since this OL8 is identical to the one we just back it up. So that is what the side, sometimes we can call this a cloning process. Or if you want to rename this one, for example, I don't want this name, it's too long. And also now my version is 8.9, not 8.7. So you can choose a different name. We can just unregister this one. Okay, similar thing like this one. When we installed from Microsoft Store, it is 9.1. After update is already 9.3, so we probably don't want to call 9.1, we just call 9, whatever version it is. Okay. So now let's see where it is. So if we do a dir to look at this location, you can see that the image is there. Okay, so you can see it's about 500 for this Linux distro. Okay, so if we don't want it, let's just for demo, I just remove it if you don't want it. Register OL8. I don't think the case is sensitive. Right, so successful. Let's take a look. So now nothing there, right? So it is okay. So that is a quick video. I'm going to just stop here.